How biotech startups can leverage CRISPR tech. What if your startup could edit DNA-like text in a Word document, precisely, affordably, and at lightning speed? That's the disruptive power of CRISPR, a revolutionary gene editing tool that's opening massive doors for biotech startups ready to lead the future of medicine. CRISPR, clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, is a game-changing technology that allows scientists to cut, insert, or modify specific DNA sequences. It's fast, affordable, and incredibly accurate, making it perfect for agile biotech teams hungry for innovation. So, how can your startup leverage it? Therapeutic breakthroughs. Target rare genetic disorders, cancers, or inherited diseases by developing CRISPR-based therapies. These treatments can correct faulty genes at their root, offering potential cures, not just symptom relief. Drug discovery acceleration. Use CRISPR to create disease models by editing cell lines. This allows you to test drug responses in a lab environment tailored to specific genetic conditions, faster and cheaper than traditional methods. Synthetic biology. Engineer microbes or cell lines that produce high-value compounds like vaccines, proteins, or biofuels. CRISPR allows rapid iteration and optimization for industrial applications. Diagnostics. CRISPR-based tests, like Sherlock and Detectar, offer fast and accurate detection of viruses and genetic conditions. Startups can commercialize portable diagnostic tools for remote or underserved areas. To get started, partner with academic labs, license CRISPR tech through institutions like the Broad Institute, and hire talent with strong molecular biology backgrounds. Also, prepare for regulatory navigation and ethical compliance, especially in human therapeutic applications. CRISPR isn't just a tool, it's your startup's ticket to transforming life itself. Ready to build the next biotech unicorn? Like, comment, and subscribe for more high-impact startup strategies in the life sciences revolution.